I'm excited. I just bought this house and 360 acres here. See the big barn down there. So let me tell you why this is important. There's something unique about this house that I bought. I've bought multiple pieces of real estate, but this house right here was built with multiple streams of cash flow. Most important concept you can ever learn financially, something they don't teach you in school. The average millionaire has 3 streams of income. Warren Buffett, the billionaire, has over 92 streams of income. I'm not there yet. It's an aspiration of mine. I've gone from 0 streams of income when I started to about 18 distinct streams of income. This is important. Watch this video. I've got a free training also you can watch, but look in the house here. It doesn't have any furniture. It's about, I think it's about 5,500 or 6,000 square feet. Needs some work, but the foundation is great. It's got real fireplaces in it. More importantly than any of this, and a house tour really, is what I'm about to say. Okay, listen. There's only 3 ways you can make money in the world. You can sell a physical product. You can sell, that's like, Target, Walmart, Whole Foods. You buy something physical. Second, digital. That's what Netflix does, right? You don't actually get anything in your hand. Or Disney, you go watch a movie. It's all digital. Or Audible, you listen to audiobooks. So you can have physical, digital, and last you can have a service. So I recommend business services. Back in 2016, I started teaching people how to do social media marketing for businesses and how to make $1,000 to $10,000 a month. Well, the good thing about that is it helped people get one new stream of income. But I realize in hindsight that something else is needed, and that's what I've got for you right now. I want to show you how to create 3 streams of cash flow in the next 60 days. I know it sounds outrageous, but I've created a test group, and I'm gonna take, my goal, big picture, is 1 million people. 1 million people spread across the globe who have at least 3 streams of cash flow, so that you can start investing in real estate, so you can start paying off debt, so you can start increasing the money in your bank account, decreasing your stress. Financial freedom is basically the first step in any kind of freedom, relationship freedom, even health. When you're stressed out about money, you don't have time to work out or eat right. So fix your finances first. So if you're watching this and you're under tremendous financial pressure, just pay attention, because I've created a free training in addition to this video. I'm gonna put a link below. This video's for the test group. I'm gonna put 1,000 people in this test group. Click the link here. You got 3 days. So here's how it works. And this is why this isn't any kind of Ponzi scheme. It's not some weird thing. People go, is this multi-level marketing? No, this is the simplest thing ever. In fact, it was pioneered by Jeff Bezos. This is how he built Amazon and made himself the wealthiest person in the world, but also made many people millionaires. One of my friends, Liz, she has an affiliate partnership website. She has a store on Amazon. A lot of times when you're buying Amazon, right, you get a little store. Now let me not get distracted. I was just bringing up Jeff Bezos. This has nothing to do with Amazon. I have about 10 companies. I spend over 10 million bucks. I've spent way more than $10 million making Mark Zuckerberg richer at Facebook and Instagram, making the Google, Sergey Brin and Larry Page, the owners of Google, wealthy. Snapchat owner, Evan Spiegel, because I spend money advertising. You've probably seen my YouTube ads. This is an ad. I realized, what if I could just partner with you, instead of making the rich richer and sending them a check, send you a check? What if I can help you make 2,500 bucks a month? You might still have your job and your other streams of income. I think that's a lot better for the world, not just making the rich richer. In hindsight, I wish I had launched this a long time ago. I had a friend who told me I should, and I just didn't get to it, but he was right. So what I've created is an affiliate partnership. I do all the work. My companies do all the work. One of my companies has over 75 employees. You don't have to hire anybody. That's the beauty. You don't have to build a website. You don't have to have accountants. You don't have to have customer support. You don't have to worry about credit card processing with Visa and MasterCard. We'll do all that. I'll show you how to start referring traffic to different businesses. So I have physical business. I have Mentor Box and Farmer's Box. Mentor Box ships books to people around the world. It's the largest book club in the world. We have Walmart as a customer, okay? I've got Farmer's Box. It's a business based right here, where we ship organic food to people across the United States. So I got physical. I'm gonna get you a physical stream of income. I've got digital, lots of digital products. We're doing what colleges don't do. We're educating people for 1/100th of the price. No one's getting $1 trillion of college debt like there is in the United States. So you can be part of that movement. I've got service business. My online agency, we charge businesses between $25,000 and $150,000 to build them marketing systems. Businesses want to learn how to go online and do social media marketing. I own the trademark, and I've trained more people on how to build social media marketing agencies than I have my own, okay? So if you refer someone there, I can write you a check, just somebody you probably already know. I could write you a check for up to $25,000. One referral. Now you might say, but Tai, I don't know anybody. I'm shy, I'm introverted, I don't have many social media followers. I'm gonna show you every ninja trick I have so that you don't have to become extroverted if you're shy. I'm gonna show you how to use email marketing, something called solo ads and email drops. I'm gonna show you how to use other people who have social media. You can leverage their reach and not even have to have it your own. I'm gonna show you how to cut deals. I'm gonna make it all easy, but the main thing is I'm gonna give you a 10-step cut and paste formula. Follow this 10-step. Follow this 10-step, and I have a strong refund promise. You'll see when you click the link below, you're gonna see the refund, because I want to be committed to your success. When you see people not doing a refund policy, it's because they're kind of just throwing it out there. I know the products that I have work. I know that people buy them because every day I see my bank account. I see those multiple streams of income coming from different sources. So I want to get you set up as an affiliate partner. There's no downside. I've got you covered with the refund policy. I don't want you to go into it wanting a refund, but I'm just saying, if for whatever reason it doesn't work for you, you'll see. Send you your money back, plus you got all the training. But more importantly, I'm gonna be your ally. See, I teach people stuff, but trust me, partners, I teach even more. I'm one of the first people online. I was doing Google ads in 2001, 2002. One of the first people online. People don't realize I started young as a teenager. 2005, I was doing MySpace ads. 2006, 2008, I was in the beta of Facebook. 2014, YouTube ads, one of the first people advertising. So I'm already spending money on advertising different companies. You got to market your companies. I'm going to build a system. And by the way, you don't even have to send paying customers. You send somebody who joins my free email list, you can get paid. I'm going to give you many ways, at least 3. Some of you are going to create 7, 8 different streams of income. I don't want you to get too confused at the beginning. So I want you to focus on 3. You can keep your day job. This works outside the US, it works inside the US. It works if you're male, female, young, it doesn't matter, even if you don't have experience, if you don't have a lot of cash. This is the best thing I think I've ever come up with to help people. Not just make the rich richer. I've spent God knows how many tens of millions on Google, YouTube, Facebook, Snapchat, just making these wealthy people wealthier. I want to partner with you. I'm not saying I'm going to send you $10 million, but I just had an affiliate. Maybe we'll cut in a little video. David, I'm talking about what you told me, what was it, like 3 or 4 days ago, that you've made, what, about 600,000, you said?
Yeah, just shy of 700.
Just shy of 700. And how much have you spent out of pocket costs?
About 15 to 20,000.
15 to 20 grand. So how has that, oh, let me turn the volume up. How has that changed your life in terms of, like, what were you doing? You started with me in 2015, right?
Yep.
And you're an affiliate. You have some other streams of income, but I think being a partner with me is the largest, right? Stream of income. So what were you doing before? How's your life changed?
So huge change. Before I was in security, in a kind of like an Aspen town. I don't know if you've heard of Jackson Hole.
Okay. Yep.
So I was basically on call 24/7. Didn't have a life.
So you were like night security guard kind of thing or whatever?
No, digital security. So
digital security.
Yeah,
alarm
camera systems. And a lot of those homes were vacant. So we would monitor those homes. We had to respond and address issues there.
Huh.
So it's very time consuming.
So what's your life like today?
Right now we're traveling around in a fifth wheel. We're on the coast of Washington.
Who's we? You and your wife?
My wife and I, and 3 dogs.
And you're netting about $200,000 a year from the partnership. Is that roughly 150 to 200?
Yeah. Yep. Exactly.
Yeah. So
last year I did 155.
155. Cool. He started with me in 2015. He's really the only person I did this partnership with. The one that I'm opening up now, I did it with one person in 2015. He's made $650,000 in the last 4 years. Revolutionized his life. He's like on an RV trip with his wife for the last couple years because he has multiple streams of income. I'm the largest one, being an affiliate partner with me. And get this, he spent $15,000 as his total cost and made over $650,000. I've never missed a partner payment to him. He gets it ACH direct deposited. Now, most people aren't going to get to the 650 or 700,000, but all he did was post some YouTube videos on a little channel he had, and he knew how to make them viral, which I'll show you how to do. And they just, like clockwork, I pay him between $5,000 and $10,000 every 2 weeks. I pay out every 2 weeks, just like a job. But it's better than a job. He has freedom. In fact, this video that they cut in, that's the first time I've ever talked to the guy in person. My brother, he knew my brother. So I tested this affiliate partnership in 2015, but I didn't really make it available. In hindsight, I should have. And Joel Salton told me better late than never. So here I am doing it right now. So click the link below. You got less than 3 days. I'm gonna take 1 million people. Here's my lofty goal for myself. We'll see if I can hit it. But for sure, I'm focused on 1,000 right now. And I'm gonna try to get 10,000, then 100,000, million. And then lastly, 1 million. And I'm just gonna tell you this. When I've opened up programs like Social Media Marketing Agency, the people who got in first, by far had the first mover advantage. It was less saturated, it was easier. Get into this early. Click the link below. Watch, take the time, by the way. I've got a full presentation there. Free training. Even it's gonna train you even if you don't end up doing the cash flow partnership with me. Because I just laid it all out for you. It's probably the best video I've shot in the last 5 years. And it's over 45 minutes, but you know what? People spend an hour or two watching a Netflix movie, which doesn't help them at all. It just makes the owner of Netflix richer. Take the time for yourself. Watch this whole video. Don't get distracted. Even if you got to divide it over 2 or 3 days. But get in before the time. I got a little timer on there. You'll see how long you have. Get in the test group. And I hope one day it'll be you investing in real estate or paying off your loans, all from your multiple streams of cash flow. Having freedom like David, my affiliate partner for 2015 has, just traveling the world with his wife, enjoying life. Life's meant to be enjoyed. Remember this, you've got one life, you better enjoy it. And most people don't because they have 0 or 1 stream of cash flow. You get to 3, the doors start opening up. Even if they're small, they start to compound and that exponential growth comes. So yeah, I'll see you inside.